Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to vectorize an image in Canva. This is a great way to turn images into scalable graphics that stay sharp at any size. Now let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we will vectorize this sample image here. Before we begin, make sure the background is already removed. The image should have a white background so it is easy for the app to trace it. Once the image is ready, we need to click on Apps. On the left side, we will find the tracer. Press Enter, then choose the tracer and open it. We will open the tracer and wait for it to load, then trace the image. Now we can adjust the settings. For example, we will set it to 120. Once we are done, our vectorized image is ready. We can now change the color by clicking on Edit. Here, we can change the colors and filters. We can also choose more colors and adjust the intensity if we want. And that is how we vectorize an image in Canva. With this method, we can create clean, high-quality graphics for our designs.